Hi everyone, welcome to the solution of Excel challenge number 3. Let's see the challenge once again and then we will go to the solution. This is the data for the calculation of wages of 5 employees. Conditions are given on the right side of the data. You have to find hours for each day, wages and overtime wages if any. Special attention should be given to break time which is available in text format. Also the format of clock in and clock out which is in hours minutes format. So first we will do a freeze pane after selecting cell C2 from view freeze pane. This is done to freeze the heading and employee names even if we move sideways or downwards. Add a column and find difference of clock in and clock out equal to clock out minus clock in. This answer will be in hours minutes format. We will not be able to use this value for any computation since this is not in a proper number value. You can see this by changing the format of the result into number format. To convert this format into equivalent number value, we have to multiply this with 24. 24 is the value to convert hours minutes format into number value in terms of hours. If you want to convert into minutes, then you have to multiply with 24 as well as 60. So equal to difference in hours minutes format multiplied by 24. Now we have to convert the break into hours minutes format. For that, first extract hours alone from the left side of the break time using left function equal to left function bracket open, select break, comma, enter 1 to take one character from the left side. Now we have to take minutes from the break. For that we have to use mid function to extract a value from in between the text. To extract that we have to specify the starting point for mid function. Our starting point is position of second space character plus 1. In this case it is 5. Mid function also needs number of characters to be extracted. For that we will first find position of third space character and deduct position of second space character from that. Difference will be number of characters required to extract the minutes. To find the position of third space character we will use search function since it is not a fixed value like the position of second space character. So first use search function to find the position of third space character equal to search function bracket open, enter space in double quotes. Since it is a text content, directly typing inside the formula, comma, select break, comma, enter 5 so that search function will search for space character only from fifth character and will exclude first two space character. Now equal to mid function bracket open, select break, comma, enter extraction starting point as 5, comma, select result of search function minus 5. Now join hours and minutes of break which is in two different columns into single column using concatenate function equal to concatenate function bracket open, select hours, comma, double quotes, comma, colon, double quotes, comma, select minutes. Now multiply this result with 24 to convert to an equivalent number value equal to break time in hours minutes format multiplied by 24. Revised clock time will be clock time difference minus break time. Logic of salary without overtime will be if revised clock time is greater than or equal to 9, then salary will be 1000. Otherwise, salary will be revised clock time multiplied by hourly rate of 100. For this, if function is required. Equal to if function, bracket open, select revise clock time, type a greater than sign followed by an equal to sign and type 9, comma, type 1000, comma, select revised clock hours multiplied by 100. Similarly, OT calculation will be based on hours in excess of 9 hours at the rate of 150. So equal to if function, bracket open, select revise clock time, comma, type greater than sign and type 9, comma, bracket open, revised clock time minus 9, comma, bracket close, multiplied by 150, comma, type 0. Total salary is equal to total of salary without overtime and overtime wages. We will make the result rounded off to nearest one using round function. So equal to round function, bracket open, sum function, bracket open, select salary without overtime and overtime wages, bracket close, comma, Type 0 to round off to nearest one. Our calculations are over. Copy paste this up to the last row. So we need to find employee wise total now. For that, let's copy the column of employee name, paste it below the totaling conditions. Select the values and remove duplicates using data remove duplicates. Now duplicates will be removed and only unique values will remain. We will use SUMIF function to find the individual total salary. SUMIF will match the employee names in the list and calculate the total from total salary column from all matched rows. So equal to SUMIF function, bracket open, select range of employee names from the table and press F4 to make it constant, comma, select employee's name on the left side, comma, select the range of total salary and press F4 key to make it constant. Copy paste this also to the down. Let's take a total here below individual totals. Also take a total at the end of total salary column. Check whether it is matching using equal to sign, equal to, select this cell, type equal to and select that total. That answer is true. Our solution is correct. So hope everyone is clear about the formulas and functions used in the solution. Please see the final working file from the link for your reference. This is only one of the methods to solve the challenge. There will be many other and better methods to solve this same challenge. The only requirement is you should be able to solve this. That's all. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more informative videos like this. Thank you. See you next time.